Welcome to the project demonstration of agriculture ecosystem monitoring based on autonomous sensor system for irrigation. So here we are using sensors like LM35 temperature sensor to monitor the motor temperature and humidity to get the environmental temperature, humidity values. And next is the water level sensor and moisture content inside soil. So these four sensors data continuously monitored by our PIC16F73 microcontroller. So based on this sensors input, we are going to control the irrigation water pump with the help of electromagnetic relay. And also for any abnormal conditions, if the temperature is high or water level is low or moisture content is low, then the system will send a message alert to the respective phone numbers which we have already stored inside this PIC microcontroller. So with the help of this GSM modem, we are going to send in the SMS. So we need to insert a valid SIM card other than Jio. We have to use Airtel, and it should have the SMS balance or main balance. So the whole system getting power supply from this regulated power supply board, and the input is 230 volts AC. So this 230 volts AC is parallelly given to this motor through this electromagnetic relay and to this RPS board. So this RPS board consists of 4 stages. So transformation, rectification and filtration and regulation. So after these 4 stages, so we will get the 5 volts constant DC power supply. That is the main operating voltage to the overall input and output modules. So here we have interfaced these sensors, A0 for the LM35 and so moisture sensor for the soil is for A1, and water level sensor for A2, and DHT11 at C0 pin, and the relay at C3 pin, and LCD interface at pin number B22, B7, and the GSM modem at C6, C7 pins of our microcontroller. So here the conditions to control the motor is, so first of all we should have the more water level in well or any sump tank, and the next less moisture level inside a soil, and temperature is normal. So these 3 conditions satisfied, then only the motor will get switched on by the electromagnetic relay and microcontroller. So if the moisture level is more inside a soil, or water level less in sump or well, or if the motor temperature got increased due to the heavy load or any dry run, so that will be detected by this LM35 temperature sensor. Based on these abnormal conditions, we are going to off the power supply to the motor, and also we are going to send the SMS alerts to the registered phone number. So before on the kit, we need to insert the SIM card. So better to use the SIM card with adapter instead of nano, and then on the power supply to this. So these are the messages which we have received previously, and let us see the demonstration now. So first of all, give the power supply to the kit, and now hold this reset switch till there will we can see one LED is blinking very fast. So it's trying to get the signal for the SIM card. Once the SIM card get the signal, the blinking rate will be comes down to 3 seconds per duration. So right now you can see that the GSM modem got the signal. So better to use adapter so that the SIM will contact to the 6 pins of this modem, so that we'll get the signal very fast. So for double confirmation, you can make a call to the SIM card, then you will get the ring instead of not in coverage area or no signal or switch it off. So after the welcome message displayed, so right, as of now there is no moisture level. The motor got switched on and the system is trying to send the message, right? So we got the message alert. Okay, and afterwards it's only display the message. You don't send the messages continuously. Once only the system will send the message. So later on keep on displaying the temperature and humidity values. So once the moisture content is reaches, there you can see one more light will get switched on this moisture sensor. We can see that, right? So now it is normal condition. The motor got switched off. Okay, and the next, if same again moisture content is less, if the water level is also less, right, low water level, the motor got switched off, and the system will send the message alerts. So I got the again low water level message. Again it is come to normal. For every message sending, it will wait for 5 seconds of duration. Once the message sent successfully, if system hangs, then you can just restart the system. The LCD should display the values continuously, then only we can provide the sensor input to that. And I'm increasing the temperature. So when the temperature crosses 50 degrees centigrade, then due to the high temperature the motor got switched off and we will get the message alert also, high temperature alerts. Again when the temperature come down to normal below 50 degrees centigrade, again motor will get switched off. Like this for the humidity also, if the humidity percentage is above 80%, then again it will send the message alerts.